Hi there, students. Meh. Meh. This can be used as an adjective or an adverb or an interjection. This is slang. It expresses indifference, lack of enthusiasm. You don't really care. Do you want chicken or ham? Meh. I don't really care which one you give me. School starts tomorrow. Meh. I'm not enthusiastic about the idea of going to school. You can use it as an adjective, meaning mediocre, boring, uninspired. I saw one of the cricket commentators yesterday, and he wrote, his wicket keeping has been very meh in this match. So, not particularly good. Yeah? Pretty bad, probably. Uninspired. Yeah? Not brilliant. He didn't put his heart and soul in it. We went up to this restaurant, but the food was really meh. It was boring. It was uninspired. I might as well have gone to McDonald's. Okay? So, meh is saying you're not enthusiastic about something, or you really don't care about it. The lesson the teacher gave us was pretty meh, boring and lackluster, everyday and ordinary. Yeah? Probably pretty boring, and I just wasn't interested in it. Notice this phrase meh is very informal. Very informal. Meh says that something has been done without enthusiasm. It's been done perfunctorily. I hope this video doesn't turn out meh. You can use meh as a joker, as a answer all, when you're asked a question. Are you going out tonight? Meh. I don't know. I don't care. Maybe I'll go out, maybe I won't. Do you want another sandwich? Meh. I'm not sure. I don't really mind either way. So, as I said, this phrase meh is very, very informal. I'd give it 1 or 2 informality. This is pure slang. I think for something semi-formal you might say boring, uninteresting, uninspired, and then maybe even more formally lackluster, perfunctory, something like that. Okay, now the question of the origin of this. I've seen some suggestions that it might originate from Yiddish, but this phrase meh was made famous by The Simpsons, yeah, as an answer from Bart or from Lisa saying, I don't really care, this is boring, count me out, yeah, I don't want anything to do with this. Okay, I don't think meh is in the Oxford English Dictionary yet, but I have a feeling it will be, although it is in some other dictionaries. So, meh, an adjective or an interjection, very informal, says that something is boring, uninteresting, everyday, or you really don't care, you feel totally apathetic about it. Yeah, you don't really want to know about it. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meh.